Hello everybody and welcome back to a new video on my channel. And now you may ask yourself, why am I looking at the glove I am normally wearing during the video? It's because of this. I started to clean up my display. Here you can see again my first ever Supertreasure, the Dart version, and a corded McLaren Elba, which we have loose over here. And yeah, this is a style of video I'm trying to do monthly from now on. I don't know if I can actually do it or not, but I'm gonna try anyway. In this video I'm talking about things like changes that I'm going to do in the coming weeks and months, and which maybe even take effect immediately, like the one thing I'm gonna announce this video, and then what I'm doing the next month, what kind of videos I've planned, if I have planned any, so what a little update for you guys, what you could expect from me. And yeah, let's start off with the changes. For change I have two things. First of all, I am going to change the layout of my display. I'm not gonna add or delete a layer, but I'm gonna rework the style how I displayed my cars till now. So yeah, maybe I'm gonna do a video of this, maybe not, I don't know yet. Let me know in the comments if you would be interested to see this. And yeah, as you can see, there's a lot of dust in this showcase, but that's a point for a later video. Not a point for later video, but for later in this video. Okay, this later is actually right now, because I decided to do this now. The second and last change, as far as I am speaking right now, is the fact that I'm going to not continue with the German version of my videos. As I said already in my videos very often, and this has not changed yet, I am a German guy, and yeah, so it would actually kind of be easier for me to not continue English and continue doing German version videos. But I decided for the English version because I originally started with English content and I would like to continue that. And yeah, I'm not doing this because I'm lazy, but because of two things. The first thing is simply because it takes me double the time to edit, research, translate the stuff that I wanna say, and yeah, to have at the end almost the identical video in two different languages. And yeah, I simply don't have the time for that with my IRL life. I'm too busy to do this. I am gonna keep myself the chance open to maybe in the future go back to making English and German content simultaneously, but for now I would like to focus on my English content and stop with the German versions for now. And yeah, the second reasoning for this change also is because, if I know this sounds mean, but as I said, I'm doing double the work, but this is how a English version video is performing, and this is how the German version of it is performing. Both are, for example, my unboxing or hunting videos are exactly the same video. Especially if I'm doing a voiceover, so they are exactly the same thing. So yeah, and you can see in the views that it's not, in my opinion, as of right now, not worth the double the time of editing, recording, translating and all other things that happened in the background for not even half of the views. I know it's twice the video, so I shouldn't expect the same views on it because it's also 2 different languages, but still, it doesn't feel like the German version content is doing half as good as the English content. Sure, there are 2 or 3 examples where actually the German version performs better than the English version, but it's 9 out of 10 times English version works out better than German version. I don't understand this because most of my audience that is watching my videos, both of the English version and the German version, are German people or people coming out of areas or countries in which you could expect to speak German. For example, Germany, Austria, and Switzerland. Sorry, not Swiss, Switzerland. And yeah, let me know what you think about this change. I hope you can understand my point, what I'm trying to make. And then, yeah, starting off with the first of these kind of videos with the biggest change ever. Wow. So yeah, now what do I have planned for the coming weeks and months? At first I'm going to try to hunt or search for the newest Hot Wheels Legends Tour vehicle, which is a pink Porsche 935, and I absolutely love the Porsche 935 casting. I only have this one sadly from Hot Wheels, and I would like to compare a mainline to the Hot Wheels Legends Tour Porsche 935, which is it also a mainline, or is it like a super treasure hunt with rubber tires but still plastic base? I don't even know. That's one of the points. I need to have it in my hand to see the differences and to be able to tell you guys what are if they are from the same line or if they are different lines. I hope that Smiths is doing with the Cool Combi last year, is doing an action where if you buy, for example, 20 euros worth of Hot Wheels premium cars or 30 euros in total of Hot Wheels content or Hot Wheels labeled stuff in their store, you get a free Hot Wheels Legends Tour vehicle, one per person or one per purchase. And yeah, I know in many, I've seen on eBay and such already many German sellers selling the Porsche 935, so I know I could buy it from them for like 30 or 40 euros right now, and I do have the money right now to do so, but hunting for it is, in my opinion, more fun than buying it. Buying is like playing a game, or the pay-to-win game. Free-to-play is basically playing a free-to-play is like going into a store and finding a super treasure hunt by luck. Pay-to-win is obviously buying this from a seller on the internet or buying enough cases to find at least one of them. So yeah, pay to win is obviously the easiest one because it comes to you after you paid for it, which I don't want. I want to go hunting. I'm only ordering stuff online which is, for example, 3 to 5 years old, which you are definitely not gonna get in the regular store. In a how do you call it in English? I don't even know. At a trading place or so you maybe find some of these, but nah, well, probably very little chance of that happening. And yeah, I'm also trying to finally continue the collector's beginner's guide. This time I wanna focus on one thing, which is for new hunters maybe one of the most interesting parts. Maybe if you are an older collector, you are probably not going to be interested in that video, but yeah, it's worth a shot. I'm trying to do this to help young collectors, because I was a new collector at some point and didn't knew what the fuck I was doing basically, and then having a random guy on the internet help me out with these videos is maybe a help for some of you. Who knows, really? Nobody is gonna say that. And yeah, well, that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching until the end. If you enjoyed, please consider liking and subscribing to never miss a video again. And if you are German, you are very welcome to, or generally you are very welcome to comment under my videos in whatever language you like to do so. I'm gonna translate it for myself. English and German are the only languages as of right now that I'm fluently speaking and understanding. So yeah, French and others I'm gonna have to translate. So, but that will be no problem at all. And then yeah, I wish you everything. I wish that you have a wonderful day ahead, and we see each other in the next video. Until then, have a wonderful time. Bye bye.